Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on Axure RP9. What we're going to do and to discover today is something about rich text and how to use this rich text combined with repeaters and why this rich text with repeaters are so powerful. So if you're interested to it, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell and all this kind of stuff that you have to do it, right? Because you don't have to miss any other video. So, and that said, let's get started. Here we are inside Axure. For the scope of this video, what I'm going to show you is how to create a sort of card into an e-commerce, for example. So with the image of an item and the title of the item with the description, eventually the price or buttons, whatever. What we're going to use is these elements. We're going to replicate basically these elements that, as you can see, have 1, 2, 3, 4 different widgets, and we will use only one widget to replicate exactly the same thing, or more or less the same thing, right? If you want to use this widget, is just one of the simple UI patterns elements that is inside the content. Here is the card, right? And we use the from the default, we're going to take the repeater, our magic repeaters, and we're going to drop these elements. So from the sample UI patterns, that is the card, inside the repeater. That's it. So here, as you can see, the item is repeated, but we want it horizontal and with a column space of 20 pixels, right? So what we're going to change here first is to have only one widget of text inside this element. So we are going to use only the heading, for example, and we're going to call it, like, I don't know, content, right? We can style it already from here, like putting, you know, the width and the height of the elements as all the space that needs to take, right? And with paddings, top, left, right button, and that's quite simple, right? So this is our element. So now I'm going to create our data set that could be, for example, the item name. Okay, and after we have what? We have the description, and for the third we have the price. Okay, price. The item name could be, like, for example, a shirt. The second could be, I don't know, scarf, and the third one could be, I don't know, a Python bag, right? Wow, Python bag. Description, it's a lorem ipsum dollar sit amet cogito ergo sum. Oh, my Latin is so powerful. I can have a conversation just in Latin. How good I am. So the price, 20 euros for the shirt, 50 euros for the scarf. Why not? I mean, it could be expensive. And a Python bag of like 1,200 euros for the Python bag, right? Okay, so of course we don't see anything here. What we're going to do now is just to go into the set text here in item loaded. We're going to target, of course, our content, but instead of set to text, we're going to change it to rich text. And here we are. This is the power of this. So here, as we can see here, this is the text that is repeated actually into our repeater, that is the heading, and we are going to change it, right? We can style it like a roboto, voila, bold 20 pixel, we can change the color in black, for example, 100%. Okay, this is the heading, and we're going to put here exactly as it is, for example, for each elements, right, in this way. So item dot, and we're going to use the name of the columns as usual. So item underscore name. Okay, after we're going to put the description. The description would be, for example, roboto, not bold, and like, for example, 14 pixels and gray, right? Something like this. Okay, and here we're going to put again the description. So here we're going to put item dot description. This can be done, of course, also with the insert variable of or function, right? So, and here the price. So price, we can put it like this. We can style it with whatever we want, like 20 pixels, bold, and yeah, that's fine. And next to it, we are going to put the price, not in bold and regular, but we want it, for example, in red, right? Okay, so let's do it like this, and we put item dot price. And here we are. So if everything is correct, should work. So okay. Oh, voila, 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 voila. As you can see here, so we used only one widget, that is the text widget, and we replicated, you know, different styles, right, with the content coming from like item name, description, and price. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it? Oh yes, it is. And also this video is finished, so I hope you enjoyed it, that you learned something new from me. And that's it. Of course, as usual, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, put a like, a comment, and if you want something in particular, please just write me a comment below the video so that I can help, maybe, I don't know, or maybe you can help me, right? And so see you in the next video. Bye.